Pull him back, push that nigga. Pull him back, pull him back. Push that nigga. Fuck that, pull him back. Ain't short of your soul. Goddamn it, it's on. Keep popping in my face and get popped in the door. Pull him back, pull him back. Fuck that nigga. Fuck that, pull him back. Push that nigga. Pull him back, pull him back. Push that nigga. Fuck that, pull him back. Ain't short of your soul. Goddamn it, it's on. Keep popping in my face and keep popping the door. No rush, motherfuckers, no burn. If a nigga fall, that's when shit gets worse. You falling at your niggas' ears. You just talk too much. Man, swing on the nigga and fuck his ass up. And you can walk on by with your mess in the tongue. I'll be your blind if you really won't get caught. And it ain't real play them games. We just hack and slang. And know Zone 3, hey! We been the peace up.
You did it to yourself. Now you're all by yourself. Acting like you hate me. I love it because you made me. You played me to the left. Now there's nobody